My bad, guys. I wasn't even. My bad. I was muted this whole time, so my bad. Well, it's all good. Let's keep streaming. So just to recap, I was muted this whole time, so my bad. Um, Looking for longs. Once we take this low down here, gotta create another idea. I'd like to see a lower time frame sequential SMT to go higher and target this range, or even that's the easy target right there. 50% of the range. Yeah, and this I think we're gonna reach it back up to here. This would be the safer, easier target right here. But maybe I'll take a parcel there and do that. So let's see if we get any entries. Um, Looking for that to be the here. This is one. This looks like this looks like so. This looks like a here. This looks like a reversal macro. I mean quarter macro quarter. Maybe it's a continuation. It took out this high. No, okay. So it's a It's a reversal. Came down. This looks like accumulation this quarter. This micro, and then this is manipulation. Okay. Oh, dang it. Okay, I should recognize that. So the short was the better play right above team open. So that's the distribution. Okay, so this is this distribution down. Got that low. Dang. Okay, I gotta look at the higher time frame quarters instead of the micros. So this was an obvious. That was like a reversal, accumulation, and then boom, manipulation. Accumulation, manipulation. So this blue one could be distribution. Two could go lower and here. Okay, we just took that low. Um, Kind of am thinking that because of this distribution, this could be manipulation, distribute lower. Yeah, that was the distribution right there. Okay, so this no more S&Ts. This was the short right here at around right above PM open. Right when we got above there, that was the short. So reversal, accumulation, manipulation. Okay, so it could have souped that low. Let's see if we get a little. Any GB times? We do have a big S&T. Nope. I want to look for some gold back times. Time signatures to see if we can get a long retracement play. Otherwise, still bearish. Went into this area of interest. Okay, we do have a gold back up time. Okay, perfect. So let me do 2 contracts there. 3 contracts, 2 contracts.
Order filled.
Gosh, that was a terrible fill. Okay, so 716, 716 is
Order working. Order cancelled. Order working.
716. That's one. Oh, wait, hold on. 23. What is this? 716. Right here. Okay, I'm gonna apply this. Go to the 1 minute. Okay. And we get a retrace. So we might just draw back into 50% of the range. Yeah, so about this level. 716 is probably good. I'll leave it at 716. Okay. So Albi could have wait if once Wine takes this, we might dump. So Wine takes this high up here. That'll create S&T, and then we might dump again, or at least go back to the range. Okay. So nice. Okay, so if we get a retrace here into this little BISI, I want to see retrace into this BISI and then tap TMSO. I might add one if you get a little tap into there. I want to see some strong bodies closing over TMSO. You don't want to see rejection like that. So yeah, so Y on the way above TMSO. So let's see here. 7-2. Add 1 right there.
Order working.
If we get a tap that BISI, you might not get it. Breakaway. Here, YM tapped into it. And so maybe yes, and NQ doesn't need to. Let's see. I'll just leave it there. I have a bad habit of adding in premium when I'm long, so just gonna wait it out. 17, 11, 59. So I think we're at least going up to here. 73.
Order working.
So as the next target up here, if these numbers are correct. Okay, we got a slight body close above TMSO here. tap into this BISI. I fill this BISI here. Give me tap to add in one, and then I think we should be tap manipulation and team open. Yeah, we'll see. Did I get tapped in? Oh my gosh, you serious? No tap. On NQ it did tap, but on MNQ it did not tap into that. Gosh. Okay. Well, I'll just leave it. Okay. Okay, there's the tap. Come on, tap me in. Oh my gosh, are you serious? I could tap like 2 in here and then just target TMSO again. Good target. But I think I'll just keep my risk at 3. I'm already up nearly 1,000 for the day, so I think, can't believe you tapped me in. MQ did, but MQ did not. Ah, missed my ad at this busy fill. Let's see if it gets filled here. I might just chop around for in the 50 can. I might dip in and then go higher. So I think we're gonna reach up to about 20. I move my target up just a little bit. I'm generating this buy side liquidity here. Just low LRLR. Smooth highs right there on the 15-second. Oh my gosh, can't believe you didn't add me in. That is frustrating. One tick away from not tapping me in. So once one breaks this, it's on. So we're still respecting the C of this. We're breaking this. And we're still below TMSO, so I could probably still safely add here, but I'm just going to keep it there. I think we might probably get a tap in here once we get. Oh, I'm really tempted to just market enter and add one there, but I think I'll maybe I want the 78s. Keep respecting this rejection block. 59s.
Order working.
Not gonna add me in. Come on, don't super yet. Yep, look at all that buy side liquidity. I'm very confident in this high being taken. I mean, I can just go heavy and
Order cancelled. Order working.
I get tap. 30 seconds left. Come on, wake me and then get me in.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
All right, so there's that one tap. Oh, come on. Rejecting TMSO. Shoot.
Order filled.
Put myself a break in there. I don't like how we reject TMSO. Still think we might keep a discount. Let's see here. Game open. Okay.
Order filled.
Now, I think we're gonna come up and take that high. We may have gotten a little bit in too early, unless we're still in our team order flow of being short. Let's see here.
Order cancelled. Order working.
I think this is still the target. The longs. Yeah, that fail was terrible. Okay. Maybe not. So I'm thinking I might really need to blast up on the 55 candle. I need to see it just like blast up. 3 minutes left. Really messy, but let's see here. Yeah, let's see. I'll leave those targets. Oh shoot. I don't like seeing that 71 node. Okay. I think I'm gonna get out. Wait, this hold on. Tricky, tricky, tricky. Let's see here. Okay. Okay, oh well. Very more there.
Order working.
4
Order filled. Order working.
points. Really risky set. This could be CST. Not really sure. So favoring longs. So let's see. Get in for the bodies instead. 90. Come on, looking for this 55 candle to blast up. Take away this. Love this. 5.
Order working.
Dang, that didn't do anything. I get stopped out here.
Stop filled.
Alright, done for the day.
Order cancelled.
I think my thesis is correct. Or oh, there's S2 there. Hold on, let me get one more. Small S&T, nano S&T.
Order working. Order filled. Order working.
10-point stop. Stop at the S&T lows. Let's see if I can get back. Oh, we're just rejecting and I'm mid now. If still think we're gonna go long here. Wait, hold on. 71. 71. It's 2. Wait a second. No, I don't like this. All this LR down here. I'm gonna protect myself here. If I get south to break even, it's whatever's. So 2.
Order working.
4. Give us a 4 right there. Nice. One runner. Even hit 716.
Order working.
Let's go to my original targets. Be careful here. I might take one off right there. Don't like that SBT. Come on, blast through. Come on, get above there, TMSO. Just gonna wait it out a little bit. See if the rejection block will get faded. And aim for 705. I do 716. Let's just see. Might be asking for a little much. Come on. So there we go. Looking for this S&T to get faded. And a strong buy to close above. Nah, should have taken it off. No, rejecting TMSO. Don't like that. Probably get stopped out.
Stop filled. Order cancelled.
Yep, keep rejecting TMSO. Then we're going to take all this liquidity down here on YM. Just two back and forth. Okay, I'm going to go
Order
one more
filled.
time. Shoot. I'm going to here. 9. No.
Order working. Stop filled.
Dang it. Yeah, because we're going to take all this. Yeah, we keep rejecting TMSO. Should have been looking for a short there, or at least souping the short on TMSO. I could have taken a profit right up here, but I okay, should have done that. Still up for the day, but just lost so much of my profit. Dang it. Too many losses. You know, this node is 111. Ah, I should have gotten out once it was above here. Should have got out. Keep rejecting. Yeah, kept rejecting. I should have saw that. All right, good to note for the future. We'll probably head down here. Um, I saw that YM had all this sell side liquidity. I should have went short instead of long. This is just a retrace up before we go short again.
Order filled. Order working. Order working.
Now we're gonna see here. Oh,
Order cancelled. Order working. Order filled. Order cancelled.
corner left.
Order working.
Okay, so let's see if we get down here. 600.
Order working.
This. Hmm. Yes, we did inverse this, so this should be used as resistance. And probably gonna get stopped out of break even here. I was looking at this Civi inversion, I mean. Order blocks, that's why I got in right there. At this high. And nice. Let's see if we can get some follow through on this last in a day. I think that's the target. It's asking for a lot, so let's see. Friday, so we'll see if that price action gives us that or not. See if this 11 GB time will be the correct draw. Come on. Don't like to see that we've wicked that. I need to see this as continuation this quarter. I think it will be. I might get wicked out. All right, well, I'll just hold until this is another 17. Let's see here. This was, man, wicked it, fill this gap. Let's see if we drop lower, hit 618. alert here, alert here. Yeah, probably stop out here, break even. 71, 59. Everyone's one. Okay, SMT. Let's see, small one. No, I think we're gonna
Stop filled. Order cancelled.
solve the break even. I'm gonna drop back into this range. This is just super messy. Oh, we got a green go back time here. Okay. Well, I give up too much of my profits. Okay. I gotta practice uh good habits here and just get off over traded. Too many attempts. Lost. Took a couple losses, winning again, and took long here. Loss, loss, two losses, and then I traded again, and I shouldn't have. So um, There's like no clear. I'm gonna get stuck in this range here. I think that might just be 50% retracement before we go lower. Just a really ugly range right here. This is that might be the distribution right there. Yeah, it's just not. There's an SC node right here, a YM. That's what got me bullish on this swing high, but there's no SMT. That wasn't or swing low. Wasn't super confident in it. Even though I think we're probably gonna drop to like around 50% of this range, and then yeah, we'll see. So anyway, I'm done for the day. That was too much. Gonna get some work done. I was up $800 at one point. Took too many losses. I'm only up $500. So I took like $300 loss. Just took too many losses. Yeah, disappointing. Oh. All right, so we'll have about 22,000 left to pass 2,200 left to pass this eval. Might I head up here? Okay, so there's up. So we might that might be heading lower. 29. So it's so sketch. 71. 29. I'm more bearish than I am bullish. But it's just too rangy. It's gonna just get stuck within this range. Not really gonna do much. I don't expect any external range to get taken. Let's see here. That is a valid setup there. To go short. Actually, not valid. There's no SMC. We're not above any true opens. So YM's above true open. I'm gonna drive PM open. Why does it say below? That's strange. Oh, yeah. Really ugly. Yeah, ugly range. I mean, I'm gonna be done. All right, I'll be done. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Make sure to like and subscribe.